raindrops dancing sweet and slow, cleansing all the hurt I used to know. Memories drift like clouds in flight, whispers of love in the silver light.
Though the storm is fierce and wild, your smile shines forever mild.
Echoes in the rain, drawing me near to the laughter, to the tears. Though the skies may turn to gray in the rain, our hearts will sway.
Footprints linger on the slickened ground,
Tales of moments lost yet profound. Each droplet sings a heartfelt tune, reminding me of our sweet June.
though the storm is
Fierce and wild, your spirit dances forever style. Echoes in the rain, blurring the past, holding on to love so vast. Though the shadows try to hide the sun in the rain, our souls are one. When thunder's voice